Writing a Canadian CV and cover letter follows many of the same principles as CVs and cover letters in other countries. But there are some specific things to keep in mind to tailor them to the Canadian job market. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to write a Canadian cover letter and CV that will help you get a job in Canada. We'll provide examples of CVs and cover letters that people have used to land jobs in Canada. To land a job in Canada, you must tailor your CV and cover letter to the Canadian job market. Highlight your skills, experiences, and qualifications that are relevant to the position you're applying for. Not only does a CV show your skills and experiences, but a good CV also demonstrates that you are professional and detail-oriented. When writing a CV, it is important to keep things simple. Your CV should be no longer than 2 pages, with a standard font and a simple layout. Follow the Government of Canada's Guide to Writing a Good CV to make sure your CV is setting you up for success. Therefore, you must ensure that your CV meets Canadian application standards. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a Canadian CV and cover letter. Canadian CV. 1. Contact information. Include your full name, address, phone number, and email address at the top of the CV. Make sure your contact information is up to date. 2. Objective or summary. This is optional. A brief 2 to 3 sentence objective or summary can be included to provide an overview of your career goals and qualifications. This is optional but can be helpful for some positions. 3. Work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. Most recent job first. Include the name of the company, your location, your job title, and the dates you worked there. Use bullet points to describe your key responsibilities and achievements. Focus on quantifiable results and use action verbs. 4. Education. Include your educational background, starting with your most recent degree. Mention the name of the institution, location, degree earned, and graduation date. 5. Skills. Highlight your relevant skills, such as technical skills, languages, and certifications. Be specific about your proficiency level in each skill. 6. Additional sections. This is optional. You can include additional sections like volunteer experience, awards, or professional associations if they are relevant to the job. 7. Formatting and length. Use a clean and professional format with easy-to-read fonts. Keep your CV concise, ideally 1 or 2 pages. 8. Tailor your CV. Customize your CV for each job application by emphasizing skills and experiences relevant to the specific job posting. Canadian cover letter. 1. Header. Include your contact information at the top, like your CV. Below your information, include the date and the employer's name, title, and company address. 2. Salutation. Address the cover letter to the hiring manager if possible. If you don't know their name, use a generic greeting like "Dear Hiring Manager." 3. Opening paragraph. Start with a brief introduction, mentioning the position you're applying for and how you heard about it. Express your enthusiasm for the role and the company. 4. Middle paragraph. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the job. Provide specific examples and use keywords from the job posting. Explain how your background aligns with the company's values and mission. 5. Closing paragraph. Reiterate your interest in the position and the company. Mention your desire for an interview and your availability. 6. Closing. Use a polite and professional closing, such as "Sincerely" or "Yours faithfully." Signature. Sign your cover letter if you're submitting a hard copy. In electronic submissions, include a typed signature. Proofread. Carefully proofread your cover letter to eliminate any errors in grammar or spelling. 7. Attachment. If you're emailing your application, mention the attachment of your CV and cover letter in the email body. Remember that the key to a successful Canadian CV and cover letter is to tailor them to the specific job you're applying for and to highlight how your qualifications match the employer's needs. Additionally, research the company culture and values to demonstrate your fit with the organization. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.